Welcome! If you're over a certain age, you might have noticed that balance doesn't always come as easily as it used to. But don't worry, improving your balance is absolutely possible, and it can make a huge difference in your daily life. Whether you're looking to feel more confident on your feet, prevent falls, or simply move with greater ease, you're in the right place. Today, we're shining a spotlight on better balance for adults over 40. As we age, our bodies naturally change, and sometimes our sense of balance can decline. But with a few simple exercises and some consistency, you can strengthen your stability and keep enjoying all the activities you love, whether that's hiking, dancing, or just playing with your grandkids. Good balance is key to everything, from rocking out at a concert with friends, to confidently navigating stairs, or even just walking across a room without a second thought. It's about feeling secure and steady, no matter what your day brings. The best part? You don't have to be a gymnast or an athlete to improve your balance. Anyone can do it, and you can start right at home. Even small changes and simple movements can have a big impact over time. I'll walk you through some easy exercises you can add to your daily routine. These moves are designed specifically for adults over 40, and you can do them at your own pace, whenever it fits your schedule. The images you see will feature real people just like you, not just young athletes. We want you to feel inspired and know that you're not alone on this journey to better balance. And remember, always do these exercises near something sturdy, like a chair or countertop, for extra support and safety. Take your time, listen to your body, and celebrate every bit of progress. You got this. Let's get started on building better balance together. This video is designed to tell you how important each one of these exercises is. It is not a demonstration video. You can download our PDF file to get more detail of each exercise mentions in this video. The link is in the video description. First, simple movement is something we do every day, but when practiced with intention, it can make a huge difference in your strength, balance, and confidence. It's a classic for a reason. Not only does it mimic a movement we all need, getting up from a chair, but it also targets the muscles that help us stay independent as we age. To begin, find a sturdy chair without wheels and place it against a wall for extra safety. Sit tall with your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Scoot forward so your knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Cross your arms over your chest or keep them out in front for balance. Now press through your heels and stand up using only your legs. Try not to use your hands if you can help it. As you rise, keep your back straight and your core muscles engaged. Imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. This helps protect your spine and encourages good posture. When you're ready to sit back down, lower yourself slowly and with control. Don't just plop down, use your muscles to guide yourself back to the seat. This part of the movement is just as important as standing up. Aim to do this 5 times in a row, twice a day, perhaps when you get up from watching TV or after a meal. As you get stronger, you can increase the number of repetitions or sets. Consistency is key. Practicing the sit to stand regularly will help you build leg strength, improve your balance, and boost your overall stability. Over time, you'll notice everyday activities, like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs, becoming easier and more comfortable. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Next up, high marches. Stand tall, core engaged, and lift your right knee as high as you can. Hold for a beat, then switch sides. The higher and slower you go, the more challenging it gets. Aim for 20 reps on each side. Ready to multitask? Try walk with head turns. Walk around your space, turning your head left, center, right as you go. For an extra challenge, look up and down while walking. This really works your balance system. Time for the walk heel-toe. Think tightrope walking. Place your right foot directly in front of your left, heel to toe, and walk forward. Focus your gaze straight ahead and engage your core. This move boosts balance and coordination. Channel your inner rocket. Stand near support, feet hip-width apart. Raise your right leg out to the side, hold, then lower. Do 10 reps each side. This strengthens hips and improves stability. Let's try single leg balance. Stand tall, lift your right foot, and bend your knee to 90 degrees. Hold as long as you can safely. Switch sides and repeat. Aim for up to 1 minute per leg. Step over obstacles is next. Place safe objects on the floor, pillows, books, whatever works. Step over each one, focusing on balance and coordination. Use support if needed and stay safe. Grab a ball and toss it in the air or play catch with a friend. This keeps you moving and challenges your balance. Stand and reach is all about challenging your balance. Stand tall, reach your right arm forward as far as you can, then return. Repeat on the other side. Try reaching for objects placed just out of reach. Before we continue, please leave us a quick comment with your city or country. We'd love to know where you're watching from. Standing heel raises time. Stand tall, hold on to support, and rise onto the balls of your feet. Lower back down with control. Do 20 reps and try one leg at a time for a challenge. Great for calves and balance. Now standing toe raises. Stand tall, lift your toes off the ground, then lower. Engage your feet and ankles. Go for 20 reps. Small muscles, big impact. Let's stretch those calves. Sit with legs out, loop a belt around your foot, and gently pull back. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Do 3 reps each leg. Flexibility helps prevent injury. Wall calf stretch. Stand facing a wall, right foot forward, left foot back. Keep your back leg straight, press your heel down, and lean forward. Hold for 30 seconds, switch sides, and repeat 3 times. Feel that stretch. Try the step calf stretch. Stand with the balls of your feet on a step, heels hanging off. Lower your heels until you feel a stretch, then return to start. Hold for 30 seconds, repeat 3 times. This deepens your calf stretch. Don't forget your feet. Place a towel on the floor, sit, and scrunch it toward you with your toes. Try 5 to 10 times per foot. Add a small weight for more challenge. Strong feet mean better balance. Today, we're going to focus on training your inner ear, which plays a crucial role in your balance and stability. This is especially important as we age, since our vestibular system can weaken over time, making us more prone to dizziness or falls. One of the best ways to strengthen your inner ear is with a simple exercise called the one-point voir, or vestibulo-ocular reflex. This exercise helps your brain and eyes work together, improving your ability to stay steady and oriented, even when you move your head. To start, hold your thumb out at eye level, about an arm's length in front of you. Focus your gaze right on your thumbnail, making sure your eyes stay locked on that spot. Now, slowly turn your head from side to side, but keep your eyes glued to your thumb the entire time. The key is to keep your eyes steady, even as your head moves. This might feel tricky at first, but with practice, you'll notice your focus and balance improving. If you feel dizzy, pause and rest, then try again when you're ready. Aim for 20 repetitions in each direction. You can count out loud or use your fingers to keep track. Consistency is important, so try to do this exercise daily for the best results. Once you feel comfortable, challenge yourself by moving your head a little faster, always keeping your eyes on your thumb. Over time, you'll build a stronger, more responsive inner ear, helping you stay balanced and confident in your daily life. Time to strengthen your core. Sit tall, feet flat, hands on thighs. Pull your belly button in toward your spine, hold, then release. Try 20 reps. A strong core keeps you steady. That's it. These simple exercises will help you improve your balance and confidence. Consistency is key. Add them to your daily routine. If you need help, work with a physical therapist for a safe program. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Keep moving forward.